You know what being broke really does to you? It's not your bank balance. It's the mental math you do before buying coffee. And in 2025, nearly 48% of Gen Z lives paycheck to paycheck. But one stupidly simple rule helped thousands escape it. Stay with me. This works even if you're broke right now. Open loop setup. Everyone tells you the same garbage advice. Save more. Cut lattes. Make a budget. That advice assumes you already have money. You don't. In a few minutes, I'll show you the $20 rule, why it works when everything else fails, and how it quietly rewires your brain around money. Why this matters in 2026. Here's what's actually happening right now. 48% of Gen Z lives paycheck to paycheck. 41% can't cover a $2,000 emergency. Credit card debt among young adults is up 40% year over year. People aren't lazy, they're stressed. And stressed people avoid money. That's how debt grows. The real problem. Traditional advice fails because it ignores psychology. The 50-30-20 rule sounds nice, but when your income looks like this, what's 20% of chaos? Automatic transfers fail. Emergency funds feel impossible. And every failed attempt teaches your brain, I can't save. That's the real enemy. The $20 rule, core solution. Here's the rule. Every time you get paid, any amount, you move $20 into a separate savings account. That's it. Paycheck, side hustle, gig work, birthday cash. If you hit your income threshold, $20 moves. Not automated, manual, every time. Why this actually works. This isn't about the $20. It's about what your brain learns. Once you see $20 disappear and nothing breaks, you start trusting yourself. Then $30 feels possible. Then $50 on good weeks. People go from saving nothing to saving $200 a month without feeling broke. Gig economy proof. In 2025, 70 million Americans do gig work. Their income is unpredictable, but $20 is predictable. You make $150? Save $20. You make $800? Save $20. Your income is inconsistent. Your habit is not. That's the hack. Psychology breakdown. Why it sticks. It's small enough to start. Progress is visible. No penalties. No lock-in. It changes your identity. You stop saying, I'm bad with money. You start saying, I save. That shift changes everything. Real example. Someone used this rule for 7 months. Saved $1,200. Laptop died. They paid cash. No panic, no debt. That's not wealth. That's control. How to start. Clear steps. Do this today. Open a new savings account. Name it something meaningful. Choose your trigger amount. Move $20 today. That first transfer is the hardest part. After that, momentum kicks in. Order of operations. Level 1, build the habit. Level 2, increase slowly. Level 3, $2,000 emergency fund. Level 4, 3 months expenses. No rush, no shame, just progress. The difference between $0 saved and $500 saved isn't money, it's peace. Start with $20. Prove it to yourself. If this helped you, subscribe. This channel is for real people, not trust fund kids.